Hello everyone, this is Marina from Frocks Frolics, and I've got a new website, a new look, a new design, new branding. As you can see, the logo has changed slightly and I've added an icon, which I think is really gorgeous. It's just a needle with two F's, and so it looks like a butterfly, absolutely gorgeous. So you can log in from the menu at the bottom here, just put in your email and then you'll get sent a code and you can put that one in and you're logged in. We no longer have two websites for my German and English language customers, we have just the one. If you want to change the language, just click here from English to German. And you can also change the currency so you can see what it would cost at the checkout, which is great. Now let's have a look at the website here. You've got the usual categories you can choose and just click on whatever interests you. You can also do that from the menu, of course, but let's just say you want to make a teen item. So you go on teen and I'm just choosing the Manhattan top here randomly. Beautifully modeled by my daughter-in-law Ugana, so thank you Ugana for that. And I've got always in second place now a little video going with all my products so you can see it in action, which I think is a little bit better than photos, but of course you've got the photos too. And at the end you've always got the fabric requirements and you've got the size charts, just as you do on Etsy or on the old website. And just underneath the photos you've got the difficulty gauge, so it's got 5 buttons. 3 buttons means intermediate, of course, and 1 button would be very easy. The description is kept pretty short because people have said, why is it all so wordy? So I just did it in bullet points for you so you can immediately see what your pattern download includes. In this case, it has an A0 copy. Only my teen patterns have that. Everything else is in DIN A4 and US letter size. As you know, I've got one file per size. Then you've got the design options, the fabric requirements, and you've also got the available sizings. And then please read is the legalese, which we don't need to look at now. Underneath you will always find the videos. Now you don't need to log in anymore to watch these. You can watch everything before you buy, and if you've already purchased one of my patterns, then of course you can come back to the product page and just look at all the videos. Just click on it, it takes you to the YouTube video, which are now all set on public, even on YouTube, so you can watch everything. Underneath that I put my little videos again, but this time they are in the sort of Instagram format and I think they're really nice. There's Ugana again modeling the Grace top, which is absolutely gorgeous as well. We have a video library. You can just click on the topic that interests you and that will take you straight to the page. Again, swipe left to access all the videos on binding, in this case, single fold invisible, double fold, commercially applied binding, it's all there. And I've got some practical examples usually going with that as well. This is the beautiful Natalie dress, which also has the binding in the armhole. And then underneath it you get a practice your binding skills or whatever skill it is on that page, and you can see the products that relate to that one. And if you're interested in the apron, you can just click on it and purchase that for free so you can see what it all looks like. If you already are a customer in a different Shopify shop, you probably signed up to shop and all you have to do is buy with shop and it automatically knows all the stuff to buy it, which is great. You just put in your email and an account will automatically create it for you. It'll send you a code, you put that code in, so no more passwords. You can't lose them. We all have too many of those anyway. And then you get an order confirmation and you can just click on the link in your email and there we go, you can download it. Then I've created a gallery because all the photos that my photographer Ella Burbick-Brown, thank you very much Ella, has created, and the photos customers have taken that I have personally taken, and they are all there so you can peruse through. And finally, if you want to get in touch with me, you can via the WhatsApp button. All you have to do is leave me a little message. I get back to you as soon as I can. I'm in the office from 8 to 9 until 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. I live in Los Angeles. Please don't forget that, so that you don't think, oh, she doesn't answer for hours. It is because I'm actually then probably asleep. And a big shout out to the company behind the website that did all the coding. That is riantes.de. They are a German company out of Stuttgart, but they do speak English as well. So thank you very much for watching this whistle stop tour of my new website till the end. And I see you for the next project at my brand new website, frocksandfrolics.com. Bye for now.